Welcome to the breathtaking Cameron Highlands, Malaysia's ultimate highland retreat. Known for its cool climate, rolling green hills, and stunning natural beauty, this destination is a haven for nature lovers and those looking to escape the hustle and bustle. In this video, we'll take you through the 10 best things to do in Cameron Highlands, from exploring sprawling tea plantations and vibrant flower gardens to hiking scenic trails and indulging in delicious local treats. Whether you're here for relaxation, adventure, or simply to admire the views, the Cameron Highlands offers something magical for everyone. Let's uncover the hidden gems and must-see spots of this enchanting hill station. Number 10. Cameron Lavender Garden. The enchanting Cameron Lavender Garden, located in Brinchang, Cameron Highlands. This stunning floral wonderland is a feast for the eyes, featuring vibrant lavender blooms in shades of purple, red, and even yellow. One of the highlights here is the 3D mural art, a perfect spot for those Instagram-worthy photos. Couples won't want to miss the charming Lovelock Bridge, a popular place to leave a romantic memento. The garden also features a vegetable and strawberry farm where you can enjoy flower picking and strawberry picking for a small fee. And don't forget to stop by the cafe at the top, serving lavender-inspired treats like cheesecakes, ice cream, and fresh juices. Before you leave, explore the on-site market for unique gifts and souvenirs. Cameron Lavender Garden is truly a must-visit destination. Number 9. Mossy Forest. Step into the magical Mossy Forest, one of the most unique and atmospheric places you'll ever explore. Perched on the slopes of Gunung Brinchang, this mist-shrouded wonderland feels straight out of a fairy tale, with its lichen-covered trees, twisting plants, and thick moss carpeting the forest floor. The Mossy Forest has an almost otherworldly vibe. The mist and shadows create a slightly eerie yet enchanting atmosphere, making every step of your hike feel like an adventure. Take your time wandering the forest's winding paths, snapping photos of its surreal beauty. And if you're up for more, continue your hike all the way to the summit of Gunung Brinchang for unforgettable views. Number 8. Boh Tea Estate. The iconic Boh Tea Estate, nestled in the hills north of Brinchang and home to the largest tea plantation in Southeast Asia. Founded in 1929, this historic estate is an absolute must-visit when exploring the Cameron Highlands. Here, you'll be treated to some of the most breathtaking views the region has to offer, with rolling tea-covered hills stretching as far as the eye can see. Your visit begins with a free factory tour, where you'll learn how the tea leaves are carefully harvested and processed. A short film also dives into the fascinating history of the Boh Tea Company and its legacy. But the real highlight? The Boh Tea Centre, featuring a stunning cafe with a veranda that juts out over the hills. Relax with a cup of their famous tea while taking in the sweeping views of the plantation-covered mountains. Don't forget to grab some of Boh's delicious brews to bring home as the perfect souvenir for friends and family. Number 7. Cameron Highlands Flora Park. Cameron Highlands Flora Park, a paradise for flower lovers and a must-visit destination in the Highlands. This stunning park is home to an array of colourful blooms, beautifully arranged across terraced landscapes and lush gardens. Stroll through pathways lined with vibrant roses, daisies, and exotic plants, all set against the backdrop of the region's cool mountain air. Don't miss the park's photo-worthy floral arches and heart-shaped displays, perfect for capturing unforgettable moments. After exploring, relax at the cozy cafe, where you can enjoy refreshments while surrounded by breathtaking views. Cameron Highlands Flora Park is a true feast for the senses. Number 6. Cameron Barat Tea Estate. The breathtaking Cameron Barat Tea Estate, where rolling green plantations stretch endlessly across hills and mountainsides, creating a truly stunning view. Established in 1933, this iconic estate is now Malaysia's second largest tea producer, exporting its flavorful brews to tea lovers around the world. During your visit, you can dive into the estate's fascinating history with an engaging audio-video presentation and learn how the perfect cup of tea is made. Take a leisurely stroll through the scenic grounds, soaking in the serene beauty and capturing amazing photos of the picturesque plantations. And don't miss the charming cafe on site, where you can enjoy a freshly brewed cup of tea paired with delicious cake and scones. Cameron Barat. Tea Estate is a tea lover's paradise. Number 5. Gunung Brinchang. Gunung Brinchang, the second tallest peak in the Cameron Highlands, standing proudly at 2,031 meters. This stunning mountain is a favorite spot for nature lovers and adventure seekers, thanks to its breathtaking views, serene landscapes, and easy accessibility. For those looking to hike, several scenic trails wind their way up the mountain, offering an up-close experience with the lush flora and fauna that call these slopes home. Not a fan of hiking uphill? No problem. You can take the thrilling mountain road to the summit and hike back down at your own pace. At the top, don't miss the observation tower, where you'll enjoy panoramic views of the Cameron Highlands that are truly unforgettable. Gunung Brinchang is an adventure not to be missed. Number 4. Street food in Cameron Highlands. Get ready to savor the flavors of the Cameron Highlands street food scene, a paradise for foodies. As you wander through the lively night markets and street stalls, you'll find an incredible variety of local treats and fresh produce. Try the famous steamboat hot pot, perfect for the cool highland weather, or enjoy skewers of grilled vegetables and meat cooked to perfection. Don't miss the sweet and juicy strawberries, a regional specialty, along with freshly baked sweet potato balls and aromatic corn on the cob. From hearty meals to quick snacks, Cameron Highlands street food is an unmissable part of your Highland adventure. Number 3. Cactus Valley. Located on a hill in Brinchang, this charming ornamental garden is home to a stunning variety of cacti, showcasing different colors, shapes, and sizes. But it's not just cacti here. Cactus Valley also boasts an impressive collection of fruits and vegetables. From glory bush and roses to peaches, passion fruit, and apple trees, there's something for every garden lover. Many of these beautiful plants are available for sale in pots, making it the perfect place to pick up a souvenir. A popular spot for visitors and cacti enthusiasts alike, Cactus Valley is a must-see destination in the Cameron Highlands. Number 2. Big Red Strawberry Farm, a sweet haven nestled in the heart of the Cameron Highlands. This popular farm is a must-visit for strawberry lovers, offering you the chance to pick your own fresh strawberries straight from the vine. Wander through the farm's lush fields, where you'll find plump, juicy strawberries perfect for snacking. Afterward, head to the farm's cafe and treat yourself to delicious strawberry-based treats like cakes, jams, and refreshing strawberry drinks. Whether you're here for the harvest or the tasty treats, Big Red Strawberry Farm is a very delightful stop. Number 1. Poh Temple. Perched gracefully on a hillside overlooking Brinchang town, the Poh Temple is a true gem of the Cameron Highlands. With its vibrant pastel yellow and bright red exterior, this elaborately decorated Buddhist temple is one of the region's most impressive landmarks. Built in 1972, Poh Temple holds the title of Malaysia's 4th largest Buddhist temple. Inside, you'll find incredible icons and statues that add to its serene and spiritual atmosphere. Surrounded by British-inspired towns and tea plantations, this temple beautifully reflects the region's religious diversity and harmony, where Buddhist temples, mosques, and Hindu shrines coexist peacefully.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me keep making great videos for you.